Hi, and welcome to Chef's Review. In this episode, I want to present to you a Contact Grill from Royal Catering. So, let me just quickly go over the technical details first. The device works with 230 volts, so you just plug it in and you're ready to go. The device has a 1800 watts of power, so more than enough for such a compact machine. Stainless steel construction, so really solid and robust, easy to clean and maintain. There's this heat-proof handle, so you won't burn yourself during service. The heat plates are all cast iron, covered with special enamel that prevents sticking. There's this drip tray, so for all the excess oil that may drip down from your products, and the control. There's only one. There's the temperature regulation that you can set between 0 and 300 degrees, and it also doubles as a on and off switch. So all you have to do is just turn it up, and there's two indicator lights. The green one indicates that the power is on, the orange one indicates that the device is heating up. Alright, that's pretty much it. I prepared a chicken breast just to show you how the device works. You can find 1,000 recipes on the internet. I just do it fairly simple. I just drizzled it with a little bit of olive oil, a bit of salt, just like that. Not too much, just keep it healthy. A bit of pepper, just for the umami flavor. And a little bit of chili powder, because I like it spicy, okay? So just sprinkle a little bit on top, and that's it. It's ready to go. Let's put it on the grill. And one remark, sorry, just like that. Before you use it first time, it's always good to remember to heat it up to maximum temperature, spray it with a little bit of oil, wipe it down with a piece of paper, a towel, let the smoke clear, and the device is ready to be used. I've already done it because it takes a while. Alright, so let me do a couple of vegetables on it, a bit of eggplant, capsicum, a bit of onion, just make it more interesting and colorful. There you go, a bit of more onion, and close it down. Closing down the hood speeds the process up. As you can see, it's not the biggest device there is on the market. So obviously it fits in a small cafe, a bistro, maybe as a part of a section in a restaurant. Any place where you need some grilling, but it's not the main dish on the menu. If you're interested in this piece of machinery, just have a look at the website. On the website you'll find lots of Contact grills with different sizes, different shapes, different powers. So you might find something that suits your needs. Alright, let's quickly summarize. 230 volts, just plug it in, off you go. 1800 watts, so quite powerful stainless steel construction, which is standard for this type of device. Heat-proof handle, so you won't burn yourself. Drip tray, one control, two indicator lights. So it doesn't get easier and simpler than that. Alright, if you order this machine, it will come in a box just like this one, with lots of styrofoam in it, packaging material, bubble wrap and such, so nothing will happen to it during transport. Along with the machine, the producer gives you a 3-year warranty, so should anything happen, it really shouldn't, because it's really solid device. But if it does, there's a 3-year warranty, so send it back, they'll fix it for you, and you get it back in no time. Alright, so I think my chicken is ready. Okay, so if you like the video, just leave us a comment in the comment section. Let me know what other equipment you want me to test, and I'll do it for you. I thank you guys very much for watching, and I see you next time.